Let's take a quick flight up over the lovely little town of BOTLEY. Take a look around at recent developments. As you can see, there has been, and those people that live in the area would know, the bypass extension and development there that has transpired in the last 2 years or so. It's nice to see out there towards Deer Park School. The access has been made easier for kids to get to and from school. Transport will be more fluid, hopefully, because of better road layout. Okay, also those in the know that live around here will be aware of the lovely farmland and open country one can roam around. There's a ramble just down there where there's a little farm where you can go to collect your eggs. There are cattle there, there's a llama. There are also South African ostriches as well, which I found quite interesting. BOTLEY is a lovely little suburb. It's quiet, it's neat, it's well kept by the Hampshire County Council. Over here they collect the waste and maintain the roads and pavements very nicely. As I have from time to time taken a stroll down that road, it becomes a dirt track and you can walk towards Ridge. It's really quite nice. You'll see what is it, Highland cattle. I've seen them. I've seen a number of different bird life as I cross the railway there. I've also seen foxes.